Yeah, there you go.
It's a guy, it's like Lorama.
360 degrees painting done in a year.
A French guy, like a long time ago.
Yeah, his name's really hard to pronounce. Just have to document the craziness.
Beautiful mountains and skies seem to open and darken the air with smoke and death.
Ladies and gentlemen, please make your way to the 2 exit stairways on either side of the platform. We hope you enjoy the rest of your visit at the
Interrupted
Gettysburg
our
National
video.
Military.
The Union Army of the Potomac faced off against the Confederate Army of Northern Virginia. Despite the many advantages the Union Army had, expected to see heading towards Gettysburg was Confederate infantry. And by deploying west of town, is hoping to buy enough time to keep the Confederates at bay long enough for the remainder of the Army of the Potomac and George ordered me to arrive on the battlefield. In the mountains, it was by accident a collision as these two armies could have been built.
We are at Hershey's Chocolate World, so Kelly had to get a chocolate hamburger.
Reese's. I guess Reese's peanut butter cup hamburger. Well, it comes like that, but we fit sauce on the side so that Stacy doesn't have to have it.
Yeah, I'm
gonna
gonna
try it though.
Ketchup. How is it? The best hamburger you've ever had with chocolate on it?
Yeah, like you're doing hamburger and dessert.
At once, all at once.
All at
How
once.
conficient.
Okay. Finally, we get to go into Chocolate World. Woo! Candy, 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 candy.
Kelly's doing a create your own candy bar. I'm locked out, but she's in there and she's going to make a candy bar. Now she's annoying one of the employees to take her photo because she likes to document everything. So there's Kelly. She's still in there trying to make chocolate bars. And now she's going to scan her ticket and make selections here to create her chocolate bar. They won't let average people like me in there, so I'm stuck outside. Make a good choice. Make good choices. Do it. Oh my gosh, that's scary. And there's, she's named the candy bar.
Okay, so ready to go. All candy bars will be enrobed in milk chocolate. I guess, okay. Enrobing. Do you want sprinkles? Yes. Duh. I make it for you, Talia. Thank you, Talia.
Talia tea coming up.
Talia tea. There it is. Delicious. Oh my God, you have to do this. It's adorable. Yes, girl, yes. Delicious. Just gonna put all the stickers and stuff.
Guess who's next?
Taya!
There you are. You
Thank
put a sticker in the bag there
you.
too.
Yes, we got it.
You did it.
Look at how beautiful that is.
Wow.
It's really well done. But they don't have nuts because of nut allergies. Dumb. You want nuts in your candy bar.
Yeah.
It's so overwhelming, honey. But a fun overwhelming. Let's go to the chocolate tour. So we're going on the little tramp, what is it? It's a little ride thing. A chocolate tour that kind of tells you the history and stuff of Mr. Hershey boy. Going down the Hershey Highway.
We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Okay.
Don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups.
No,
My personal
never.
favorite.
Everyone has a favorite.
Look at the kisses. Delicious. Hi, honey.
Finally, and most importantly, I know you all are really excited for your trip today, and I'm excited for you as well. However, I don't know you're ready.
Woo!
However,
Folks around here call me Papa Hershey, and you can too.
Is it Henry Hershey? Oh, folks, this is Milton Hershey's father. Oh, but you look sweet upon the street of a bicycle built for two.
That was wonderful. Everyone knew about Hershey, Pennsylvania.
Oh, I remember hearing about that.
And the factory produced 3.1 billion ration bars. Stand beside her and guide her through the night with the light from above. From the mountains to the prairies to the oceans white with foam. God bless America, my home sweet.
What are we coming up to, honey, in West Virginia?
It's a toy museum.
Wow, look at how pretty that is.
Cool. It used to be a public school. Public school.
That's pretty impressive. And there's a choo-choo train.
Supposed to park by the caboose.
Oh, they told you that?
Yeah.
This is Darling. One going on up there.
There goes Kel. And we got to push this button to make the trains go. Look at a cool train. Wait, who's that? She's filming from in there.
Oh, look at it go. Look at it go. Oh, there it goes.
Anything for the shot.
So that way you can see the whole tunnel. And then this is the tiny miniature room. They put a lot of work in this. And then they have places for kids to play stuff. First room, we have 10 rooms. Oh, good job, Ben.
Thank you.
There you go. Wow! You can't believe how great that is, huh? Look. 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 You know what I mean? So if you're ever in West Virginia, you have to come to this adorable museum and spend $15 and then camp for free. Harvest Host. Oh, wow. That's really fun, babe. Okay, update. We're on the second floor. Bobbleheads. Bobblehead. What? And then the Christmas, I guess. The Christmas town stuff. Beautiful Champaign, Illinois. There's a secret vineyard that we're going to check out. It's a Harvest Host. Looks like there's cars parked in there, babe. Cool. They're supposed to have concerts and food trucks and stuff tonight.
Yeah.
This is exciting.
Somehow we found ourselves in Illinois at a winery, Champaign, Illinois,
Oh my God.
at a winery, and they're having this event where they have music and a food truck and stuff. Just kind of like, you know, the local places like Hannah Cole and Campus and stuff like that.
But not as great as Campus.
Not as great as Campus. Campus knows how to put on a show, and they're just great people, and they work hard, and we love the Campus.
And they have the best
Vineyards.
wine.
Oh, the wine's amazing. So anyways, we're going to go enjoy some music here in Champaign, Illinois.
We're ready. We're gonna get tacos. And then here's the cute little winery. It's adorable. So excited. This is my man putting down my chair. Got my cute little jazz outfit on.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, baby. And no couch. Oh, there. Oh. So we have fireflies. There, the lights went out.
It's everywhere.
They are, except I'm trying to videotape them. I don't see them.
Like, people just have to imagine how great they are.
No, you don't have to imagine. They're freaking for real.
On the ground.
There, I see. They're sparkling like diamonds. Stace. You did? You did? Where?
Right here.
Where's he? You don't see him? There he is. Where is he going? How'd you catch him, babe? He's magical. Oh my God, this has been my dream. This is what okay. Niagara Falls and then fireflies. So 2 bucket list things. How'd you catch him?
He's just buzzing along.
I told you, it's the best thing. You throw them in a jar and then you rip their butts off and make them diamond rings and stuff. Blackhawk Valley Campground in Rockford, Illinois. How'd you even find this place, like?
The World Wide Web, they have this thing now where you can interconnect with computers all throughout the world, and this information is shared. And a lot of people said it was just going to be a fad, but apparently it's stuck. That's how you find stuff like this on the internet.
I hate you. Huh. Unbelievable. Poker walk. Saturday, missed him. Mom, okay, so I'm on Harrison, and I think it could have been one of these houses, and then Wright School is right there. Maybe it's even closer. I don't know, because when you're a kid, it seems like it's so far to get to school. Okay, Mom, let me know. There's Stacy. My grandparents' farm. It's probably not going to be the same at all. Wow, it's all different except for the corn thing. That's still there. But the farm used to be out there.
Beautiful view.
The farmhouse. That was the farmhouse, but the front porch faced this way. His garage with his tractor and stuff right here. Okay, here's Grandma and Grandpa's farm. What's left of it, it's actually stunning. It's really beautiful. The house is different, so like the front and everything. Uh-oh, somebody coming out. Let's... It's beautiful here. Hey, Stacy, help me find Grandma and Grandpa. My uncle and Aunt Fran. We're at the Champaign Cemetery. It's only taken me about 50 years to come pay my respects. He's still looking for other relatives for me. I'm so lucky. So blessed. Love my grandparents. Okay, after the cemetery, we made it to the Champaign bar. Well, it's called Champaign Tap. And, of course, it's redone, but there's the famous, what is it, Rock River, I think.
It's famous, you should know the name.
I know, but I was a kid. But all the crazy stories and stuff my dad would tell about the Champaign bar, since it's just down the street from their farm and everything else. Yay!
And starting with the next group of homes is the Geneva Manor subdivision, founded here in 1926. And there are about 80 homes in this subdivision, but only half of them are used year-round. Another interesting...
Okay, here we are in Fond du Lac. We're close to it, right?
Yeah, south of Green Bay and all that.
South of Green Bay and all that.
Thank God our windshield wiper.
I know. Yes. How cool is this swimming pond? And it's pouring rain, and there's still some kids out there having a good time. They're wet anyway, right? So might as well enjoy it.
Say hi to Al. Wait. Uncle Al is Kitty's pal. Is it his birthday though? It was. It was. Yep. Oh, right next to my mouth. Hi, Uncle Al. This is not. Oh, thank you, honey.
Hi, Dad. We're just stopping by to say hi. We love you.
Rows. So if you look to your right, behind the goalpost there's a walkway about 20 rows up. That was the top.
Breaking news in the NFL, the long-awaited trade of Aaron Rodgers to the New York Jets is now completed. Per multiple reports, the Jets and Packers will swap first-round picks this year, with Green Bay moving up to number 13 and the Jets sliding down to 15.
I think of the greatest, I think of a man called Aaron Rodgers. Because we have seen Tom Brady, Peyton Manning has came, Joe Montana has came. All those guys play like Tom Brady. We ain't seen an Aaron Rodgers. That's why, because it's something that we've never seen. He's changing the game.
You know, I think we play this game since we played since we were kids, and it's a business. It's an incredible profession. It's a really tough business. So when it starts to feel like a job and not, a fun game, there's probably time to walk away. But right now, it's still fun.
Aaron Rodgers, the most prolific touchdown passer in Green Bay Packers history. Rolling left, winds up, rainbows it high and deep into the end zone. It's high point and it caught. A miracle catch up. Janet, Hail Mary, answered again. The title is back in town.
Go! People make mistakes. I made a big mistake. I made a big mistake. I want to come back. I want to come back to Lambeau. Why would I go to the Jets? The Jets. The Packers are where it's at. Do you think they'll let me in, Coach? Let me in. I can do it. Oh my God, they gotta let me back in. So over the Jets. It's ridiculous. Matt LaFleur. LaFleur, get over here. Oh, come on. Oh, my house. Super dejected, but I think they're gonna let me back in. I can feel it. Wow, here's artwork. The worst day of my life. No. Come on, man, give me a chance. No.
You have enough chances.
No.